Hey, wanted to do a quick video. We're just changing out some old 4-foot fluorescent T12s in a client's garage. And I'm coming across this stuff. So what we have here is, I'll get some light on the subject. One, we have a metal fixture and it's not bonded. That's what the bare wire, your ground wire, is supposed to bond all metal parts of the enclosure. And at no point after the service where we bond the neutral to the grounding electrodes are we supposed to tie them together. So these are little things, either handyman specials or possibly a homeowner doing their own work, or even getting fed some wrong information from Home Depot. So keep a lookout, know some basic safety. These things homeowners can do. If you're not comfortable with it, please seek a professional. But these are the kind of things that people do, and they don't even understand some of the problems that can arise.